Hi everyone, I'm Lareina and welcome to the Intimate Talk, where I'll be talking about stuff that you may be too shy or scared to ask or talk about, or stuff that may not even have crossed your mind. Continue watching to learn more about your intimate health and how to pamper her like a princess. When it comes to your intimate area, people tend to generalize both vulva and vagina as vagina, but they are essentially different. Confused? This internal section is your vagina, which mainly consists of layers of tissue, and this external section is your vulva, which is mainly your skin. Today I'll be talking about how to wash your vulva. If you're wondering why not the vagina, that's because your vagina has the ability to self-cleanse. So leave Mother Nature alone.
I use the ordinary body wash. I feel flushing with water hose, flushing it's enough.
Just water.
Water and soap. Usually I use warm water or hot water, and I use body wash also. Yeah.
Just normal body wash, yeah.
Body wash and water.
Actually, I use your Vagisil because it was introduced to me by my daughters.
Now your vulva and vagina are acidic, and it has to be kept at a pH level around 4.5. Anything more than that, it may cause your vulva and vagina to become irritated, infected, itchy, and even smelly. I know many of you might still be using your regular body wash or soap, which most probably has a pH level between 6 to 10, depending on which one you use. If you like those full-on super solid antibacterial body wash with exfoliating beads and which smells like a fusion of all tropical fruits, chances are you'll send the pH level rocketing into the outer space. The more alkaline it is, the more you'll disturb a pH balance down there, which may reduce your immunity at your intimate area. And what can happen? Itchiness, dryness, infection, discharge changes, weird smell, and etc. Now the big question, how do I maintain a healthy pH level at my vulva area then? A feminine wash that is pH balanced, hypoallergenic, gentle, and soap-free. How often should I use it? Well, as often as you would wash your face, your hair, your body, which is really every day. Last but not least, don't forget to visit a gynecologist if you're experiencing anything unusual down there. I hope you found this helpful. Do share it out for the love of all women. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Intimate Talk. Goodbye!